Good morning everyone. My name is Saquib. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, today I am going to make sentences which is negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentences. I have 5 sentences which is affirmative sentences and I have to make 3 sentences each. So friends, let's start. First sentence is she has written many articles on health. The negative sentence will be she has not written many articles on health. And interrogative sentence will be has she written many articles on health? And negative interrogative sentence will be has she not written many articles on health? And second affirmative sentence is they have bought a big house. The negative sentence will be they haven't bought a big house. An interrogative sentence will be have they bought a big house? Negative and interrogative is have they not bought a big house? And sentence number 3, my friend had left before I reached the party. Negative sentence will be my friend had not left before I reached the party. An interrogative sentence will be had my friend left before I reached the party? And negative interrogative sentence will be had my friend not left before I reached the party. The fourth sentence is she had read the Harry Potter series by the time she was 10. Friends, negative sentence will be she had not read the Harry Potter series by the time when she was 10. An interrogative sentence will be had she read the Harry Potter series by the time she was 10? Negative and interrogative sentence will be had she not read the Harry Potter series by the time she was 10? Friends, fifth sentence is I will have achieved my target before August. Negative sentence will be I won't have achieved my target before August. And interrogative sentence will be will I have reached my target before August? And negative and interrogative sentence will be will I not have reached my target before August? Sixth and last sentence is they will have left for the UK next month. Negative sentence will be they won't have left for the UK next month. An interrogative sentence will be will they have left for the UK next month? And third sentence is negative and interrogative will they not have left for the UK next month? Friends, if you really want to learn English, start speaking practice. English is a language without speaking, without listening, without writing, we cannot speak fluently. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.